Open the software and select Survey. Tap Point Survey. First, measure the bottom surface of the earthwork. Then measure the top surface of the earthwork. Since it is difficult to collect points on the top surface, laser measurement is used. After completing the measurements, select Volume Calculation in the Tools interface. Tap Select Calculation Area to enter the TIN library. Tap New at the bottom and enter a file name. Tap Add, then select the bottom surface points from the point library. Tap OK to confirm. Tap Map to view the bottom surface shape. Next, continue to add the top surface of the earthwork. Enter a file name. Select the collected top surface points from the point library. Tap OK to confirm. Select the bottom calculation surface and confirm. Select the reference surface. Select the top surface as the reference surface. Tap Calculate to view the earthwork volume and other results in the calculation output.